everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy stories, and today I'm talking about Sibongile and the Laminis. Guys, ithi ngihlebele ke ukuthi ke lento ekudala abantu beyihlongoza la social media ukuthi uVusi kungenzeka kuba akusiyona ingane kanje. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uVusi guys, I don't think ukuthi kuzoba ke ukwenzo. So namhlanje ke njengoba kulisithathu nje umama ke kaPhetheni uthel uSamge ukuthi ithi ngihlebele umngane wakho phela wachithela umnyeni wakhe. Engicabanga ukuthi ke guys, they won't bring that kind of a storyline without ama result ukuthi ingane yakhe leyokuqala maybe akusiyona ke kanje ngayo. So abantu abaningi they are suspecting ukuthi uVusi akuyona ingane kanje ngaye. Simzwile ke naye ke uPhetheni laphana ke ku laphana ke ekhuluma ngomsombuluko ethi ke hamba mngani wethu ungabuyi kuzosihanta ke, don't come back and hunt us with our secrets. And uSamge vele guys ufuna vele ukuyiphindiselela ke vele kuPhetheni. So I don't know ke guys ukuthi yini azoyenza, but ke engazi ukuthi impela cha, she's about to be exposed uPhetheni. Enye into guys engiobservile ukuthi ke noma ke abayishila bamzansi wethu bathi ke Sibongile and the Dlamini is taking a break, a production break, which I don't know ukuthi ke why would they, because they didn't explain ukuthi why are they taking a production break. Into engiyibonile ukuthi ke abadlali abaningi ke beSibongile and the Dlamini, they are scattered. Unjengaye I saw him ku this story songena esizo replacer My Brother's Keeper. Unjengaye ngimbone lapho, ngaphinde futhi ngabona noSamge kusona leso story bayibiza ngokuthi iGenesis esongena ke after My Brother's Keeper. Kwase kuthi ke uPhetheni guys uyi-main character noma uyi-leading role laphana ke ku-iThonga. So I think iSibongile and the Dlaminis iyaphela. I don't know, but ngibona bathi they are taking a break, but nje ngibona sengazi ukuthi cha basikhathade abantu bakhona, and I don't think ukuthi ke isazophinde futhi ke ibuye. But ke anything is possible. Maybe they were shooting, so they'll come back and shoot. Maybe I'm not so sure if they will be renewed for season 3. Isibongile and Dlamini, but abantu they have lost interest because of ukujeka storyline. We were hoping by this time ukwenzo no Sibongile they'll be happily married, but kwasengazi ukuthi cha, we are still there la singazi ukuthi sikuphi khona. They drag a story ke kakhulu in such a way ukuthi ke they lost ama viewers ngaleyo nto ke. That bring us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.